Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, students. Just take out page number 19 of your books. Take out page number 19. Have you taken out? Teacher, हमने page 18 नहीं करना. What's wrong with you, Mubara? We have done page number 18. Beta, previously in the class on Monday we have done page number 18. No? Past perfect tense we have done previously. We have done this. Page number 18, we have done it. Now this is page number 19. Yes, Ibrahim.
मिस आपने पेज नंबर 18 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के एक सेंटेंस 3 और 3 से 9 तक आपने नहीं करवाई.
Okay, page number 18. From 3 till 9.
Yes.
Okay, do one thing. Write down their answers. Take it out your rough copies.
कैमरा ऑफ करके मुझे दे दो.
Okay, take out page number 18 again. And write down the answers only. From, we were on question number 4. From question number 4, we have to start. Three. From 3, Mubara. Okay, okay. Okay, write down sentence number 3. Then I saw. THEN then. Just don't waste my time now. Just, yes, Alifia.
What we are doing, I joined late.
You joined late. Okay. We are going to do complete our previous work of page number 18 first. Then we will start reading. Yes, page number 18. Then we will do this reading the screen I am sharing. Abhi, just take out page number 18.
Yes, teacher.
And sentence number 3. We are going from sentence number 3, question number 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's copy work.
Yes. Yes, it's copy work, and you will write it down firstly on your rough copy.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't write directly on your copies. Just don't write directly answers on your copies. Okay. Sentence number 3. THEN then. Then I saw that. Ifam, why you are not writing? Ye Sayed Ifam. Please turn on your cameras, Adan, Rayan, Mahmood, Fatima. Are you all writing? Fatma, turn on your camera. Where are you? Okay, we are wasting a lot of time. Start. Then I saw that somebody had left a window slightly open. Somebody had left a window slightly open.
Teacher, I have done this work.
All the work?
Yes.
How?
Teacher, because the notes.
No, this work was not given in the notes.
Teacher, what I have done. What?
Okay, check your answers then. Because I have not given this work in notes. Somebody had left a window slightly open. Number 4. When I had put down my bag, comma, when I had put down my bag, comma, I started to climb the tree next to the house. I started to climb the tree next to the house. When I had put down my bag, I started to climb the tree next to the house. Okay, sentence number 5. After I had climbed, Abdullah, are you writing? After I had climbed, and turn on your camera, Abdullah. After I had climbed quite high, Q-U-I-T-E, quite. Q-U-I-T-E, quite high, comma. I'm telling sentence number 5 on page number 18. After I had climbed quite high, I reached the window. I reached the window and opened it a little. Opened आएगा. O-P-E-N-E-D. Past participle of open. Opened it a little. When okay, have you done opened it a little? Number 6. After I had number 6. After I had, okay, I'm repeating it again, Mubara. After I had climbed quite high, comma, I reached the window and opened it a little. I reached the window and opened it a little. Okay, sentence number 6. Sentence number 6. After I had opened, ये भी same ही है, this is same. After I had opened the window a little wider. WIDER, wider. Yes, Alifia, unmute yourself. Sayyid Ifham, turn your camera.
Teacher,
Slide down. Yes.
teacher, where are we?
Beta, we are doing our remaining sentences on page number 18 first, then we will do the reading.
Okay.
Sentence number 6. After I had opened the window a little wider, 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 comma, a large bird flew out. A large bird flew out. FLEW, flew. Flew out. Yes. Filza, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Well, you have raised hand. Do you have to ask anything?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, I have to ask that teacher. I'm late because teacher, my light has gone. Please,
Okay.
can you tell what are we doing?
Okay, we are on page number 18. First, we are completing previous work. Some sentences were left on question number 2. We are doing that. Then we will do the reading, the screen sharing I am doing. Okay. Do you get it? Yes, Mubara, unmute yourself.
Teacher,
G.
teacher, what's the spelling of wider?
Wider, WIDER, wider. Wide
Teacher,
say wider.
sentence number 6 repeat कर दे.
After I had opened the window a little wider, comma, a large bird flew out. Done. Okay, now sentence number 7. जी फिल्जा.
Nothing, teacher, वो पहले से एंट्रेस हुआ था.
ओके ओके.
टीचर, वो मैंने पूछा.
हाँ जी.
टीचर, वो मैं पूछ रही थी आप कौन से सेंटेंसेस लिखवा रही हैं?
बेटा पेज नंबर 18 and now we are on sentence number 7. Question number 2.
Okay, teacher.
ठीक है, start from here. Question number 2, sentence number 7, page number 18. Okay, sentence number 7. It was very angry. It was very angry because it had spent the day in our bathroom. Why you're not writing, Filza? You are showing your book. Have you done it? It was very angry because it had spent the day in our bathroom. Rayan, Mahmood and Ibrahim, why your cameras are off? Sentence number 8, hurry up. Later, I told my mother. Sentence number 8, later, I told my mother. Later, I told my mother that I had found a bird that I had found The bird in our house. Done. Sentence number 9. Teacher, we need to do this. Yes, this is your copy work. You will write it down in your copies. Sentence number 9. After I had finished. Sentence number 9. After I had finished telling the story. After I had finished telling the story, comma, she laughed and laughed. She laughed and laughed. What are you doing, Ibrahim? Are you not writing? After I had finished telling the story. Okay, you have done it. I'm repeating it, the last sentence. Sentence number 9. After I had finished telling the story, comma, she laughed and laughed. Yes, Abdullah, what you want to say? Unmute yourself.
Teacher, I have done.
Okay, very good. Okay, now students, you have to write these sentences in your homework. Previously, I had also given you this homework, but sentences were not complete. But now we had completed this. And now you will write this question number 2 on your copies and question number 3. Look at question number 3 on your books. Mubara, look at question number 3 on your books. These past participles are the same as the simple past forms. Make a short sentence with each one. Now you have to make sentences with them: bought, brought, burnt, caught, met, paid, taught, and thought. But in past participle by using had. Okay? You will use had in each sentence and you will make sentences. For example, the example is given of bought. I saw that my mom had bought us some strawberries. For example, if you want to make sentence of brought, the word, second word brought, I had brought gift for my friend. Or my friend had brought me some chocolates. Okay, by using had and past participle. These are past participles, but you will use had with them. Is, am, are, was, were. You will not use these and words. Has and have been nahi use karoge. You will just use had with it. Past की बात करोगे, you will write sentences in past tense, past by using past participle and had. Understand? Okay, now take out page number 19. This unit number 3. Page number 19, unit number 3, lesson number 5. This is the second half of the story. First half, we have done it. Okay, writing the show part 2. First of all, we have to read the text and answer the questions. There are two questions given here. What happened? What happened when Aunt Emily woke up? Do you think William's father was angry with him? Why or why not? Now, these are the two questions given to us. We have to read it, read the chapter first, and then we will answer these questions. Yes, Mubara, you want to do the reading?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, start reading. Everyone, please focus on it. We have to answer these two questions as well. Okay, start.
What happened when Aunt Emily woke up? Do you think William's father was angry with him? Why not? When Aunt Emily woke up, she thought at first that the group of small boys around her was a dream. Then she sat up and saw the things on the bedside table, the notices, and finally William dressed as the showman. She sprang out of bed and seized William by the shoulders. You wicked boy, you wicked boy, she
You wicked
cried
boy.
as the you wicked boy, she cried as she shook him. William escaped and ran into the next room. It was empty except for Henry. The last of the audience had escaped and were crawling along the top of the garden wall. William said to Henry, "She's just woken up and she's furious." Aunt Emily was moving noisily around in her room. "Let's count the money," said Henry. They counted for pounds and 50 pence.
Okay, stop. Who will do the reading next? Alifia, you want to do the reading?
Yes,
Okay, start doing.
that is pretty good, said William. Without Aunt Emily, we were only going to make about 2 pounds or so. Suddenly, Aunt Emily's door opened and the boys could hear her heavy steps coming down the stairs. William shivered. What would his father say? William's mother had returned from her visit as Aunt Emily, wearing her coat and hat and carrying her bag, arrived at the bottom of the stairs. William's father had just woken up from his nap and had come into the hall. Aunt Emily stared at him. "Please ring for a taxi at once. I refuse to remain in the house a moment longer." She she then told William's parents how she had been on show. Mother said sorry and father went to phone for a taxi.
Okay,
A crowd
stop. Who will do the reading? Who wants to do the reading next? Who had raised the hands? Sayed Ifam, you want to do the reading, beta? Okay, unmute yourself.
A crowd of dirty little boys and those notices and me in a poor state of health too. If this had not happened, I might have stayed with you all the winter and perhaps parts of the spring. Father wiped his forehead. Mother said sorry again, and Aunt Emily went off in her taxi. William, father shouted up the stairs. William went downstairs, still in the dressing gown with half a mustache on his face. Is it true what your
Aunt
aunt
said,
looked into his eyes and suddenly became hopeful.
hopeful.
Father was not a good actor. Hopeful. Father was not a good actor. Yes, he said. That was very wrong, said father. That's all something William and as he started to run back upstairs that he didn't take long, said Henry, surprised when William entered the bedroom. William opened his hand and showed Henry what his father had put into the look was a shining one pound coin.
Okay, very good. Okay, now will tell me what happened in the story. Okay, just tell me the answer of previous question on previous story that was given. The question was, had William and his friends planned to collect money? Were they successful? How did William and his friends, that we know how did they plan, but were they successful? We have just ended the story. Were they successful in collecting the money? Yes, they were successful in collecting the money. Okay, the question is, what happened when Aunt Amelie woke up? What happened when Aunt Amelie woke up? Yes, Mubara, unmute yourself.
Teacher, Aunt Emily, he was so angry.
Yes, and what she decided to do?
She decided to left home.
Yes. Okay, good. Your answer is correct. Okay. Do you think William's father was angry with him? Who else will answer me of this question except Mubara? Yes, Ibrahim. You tell me, do you think William's father was angry with him?
Miss, I was in washroom.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Miss, I was in the washroom, so I couldn't.
Okay,
This.
but
Miss, I will read the task.
okay, you have to read it again so that you could know what's happening in the story, other half of the story. Okay, who will answer? Filza, turn on your camera. Abdullah, do you know the answer of this question? Why? Yes, Filza, do you know the answer? Unmute yourself. Filza, where are you? Okay, Ifham, unmute yourself and answer me. Only 2 students were present while listening to the reading. This is how you sit in the class, unattentive. Yes, Ifham. Was William's father angry with him or not?
Not.
No. Stop playing with it, Ibrahim. Yes, William's father was not angry with him because Aunt Amelie decided to leave the house at once. What William had done in the house, the show, and he put the notices on Aunt Amelie's bedroom, on his bedside. When she woke up, she saw everything around her. That a group of boys were in her bedroom, the things on the bedside table. She notices the notices written on her, and William is dressed as showman. So she was a bit anxious and angry. So she decided to left the home at once. So as William's father was already not happy with Aunt Emily's stay at their home, so as she decided to left the house because of William's show, so his father was not angry with him. He just gave him, instead he gave him £1 as well, £1 coin as well at the end. So the moral is William was successful in collecting the money, and his father was also not happy, was also not angry with him. And Aunt Emily left the house as his father was trying that she should left their house as soon as possible. So what you have to do is, we are left with 5 minutes. You have to write the answer of these two questions given here. Write on your books the answers. Hurry up, write down the answer of this question number 1. What happened when Aunt Emily woke up? Write down the answer of it. When Aunt Emily woke up. Okay, Filza. Just write down the answer of this question number 1. What happened when Aunt Emily woke up? When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw a group of boys in her bedroom. When Abdullah, why you are not writing? Do you think I'm going to repeat things again and again? Write down the answer. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw a group of boys in her bedroom, full stop. She also saw the things on the bedside table. She also saw the things on the bedside table, comma, the notices, notices, the notices, comma, and William dressed as showman. And William dressed as showman. I can't wait, Adan. We are left with only 3 minutes. I'm repeating it. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw a group of boys in her bedroom, full stop. She also saw the things on the bedside table, the notices, and William dressed as showman. Write down the answer of this question number 2. Do you think William's father was angry with him? Why or why not? William's father was not angry with him because, now this is the answer of why or why not. Because Aunt Emily decided to leave the house at once. Okay, that's all. This question will remain on your book until I give you homework to write them on your copies. ठीक है, फिलहाल you will just write them on your books.